Hey guys, Field RPM Diecast, and today we have a Hot Wheels 50th anniversary 1971 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. Now from 2017, or at least that's what the back says. Now I have a lot of Datsun 510 wagons, and this one is clean. Like a lot of the 510 wagons, they do, you know, crazy liveries on them. There isn't very many, like the 510, that's a 510 Super T-Hunt that was out maybe, I don't know, a couple months ago. Same thing, super crazy livery. Where I like this, it's clean. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is this 50th anniversary on the back, but whatever, that's the whole point of the car, is it's a 50th anniversary. But yes, really, really nice. This here, not a big fan of, but again, that's the whole point of it, is 50th anniversary. But just a straight metallic blue with the stripes. Love it. Look at those rims too. Oh, so nice. Detailed headlights, detailed taillights. Oh, so nice. I'm gonna go take some close-up photos, put it on the spinner, and then we will be back after. That was the 50th anniversary, 1971 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon from Hot Wheels. Really nice casting. I'm really excited to go put this up on my shelf. Just because, like I said, it's just clean. It's got the real riders. I actually don't know if I have, I don't actually know if I have a premium Datsun 510 wagon besides the Kaido houses. I'm gonna go check. One sec, I'll be right back. Okay, I was wrong. I do. I have one other premium 510 wagon. It was in the box set. It had that purple Laurel, the 510 wagon, and I can't remember what else was in that set, but that was also another one that was a premium. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment your favorite casting down below, subscribe to be entered into the giveaway, and keep on collecting. Now it's up there. Also, I pushed them all back because when our door closes at the shop, it slams and it moves all my cars, and they've been falling off the wall. It's been driving me nuts. Anyway, guys, like I said, comment down below your favorite casting, subscribe, and keep on collecting.